As a pharmacy student, clinical researcher, or aspiring HEOR professional, you sit on some of the most vital patient data in the world. You understand the clinical realities behind the numbers, yet you are entirely locked out of analyzing them because the software standing in your way feels like an impenetrable wall. The modern healthcare industry demands rigorous technical proficiency, elevating our programming to the absolute standard for handling complex medical records and outcomes research. But when you try to bridge that gap using generic tech tutorials, you are met with software engineering concepts that speak an entirely different language than the high-stakes environment of a hospital or lab. It creates an exhausting paradox where your brilliant clinical logic is stopped dead in its tracks by the rigid, unforgiving syntax of a programming language. You know exactly what questions to ask of your data, yet you cannot get the software to yield the answers. Because learning to code from a traditional data science syllabus simply was never built for the urgent, highly specific needs of healthcare analytics. Behind that intimidating programming barrier lies the ability to definitively prove a treatment's clinical value and clearly map out patient outcomes. It is the power to execute rigorous survival analysis, parse massive volumes of clinical trial data, and extract actionable insights from real-world evidence. It is the exact tool used to generate the critical cost-effectiveness analyses that ultimately dictates whether a life-saving treatment reaches the patients who need it most. And the industry is rapidly drawing a hard line between the analysts who can manipulate this data with confidence and those left struggling with irrelevant coding theories. You do not need to become a full-fledged software engineer to thrive in this space. You simply need a targeted foundation built exclusively around the exact style of datasets you will actually use. Finding that analytical clarity requires stepping away from overwhelming masterclasses and taking a few precise, highly practical steps forward. Our Foundations for HEOR Beginner Level by HEOR Insights is exactly that tool, designed to strip away the technical jargon and replace overwhelm with absolute clarity. The program breaks the software down into 6 concise, practical video lessons, each spanning just 7 to 9 minutes, built entirely for absolute beginners with zero coding experience. You will navigate the interface, work directly with CSV imports of HEOR-style data, and immediately apply a downloadable R Basics cheat sheet to keep your momentum moving. At just 499 rupees, this is your starting line. Mastering these basics directly unlocks the door to advanced ICER calculations and complex survival analysis. Stop letting syntax hold your clinical career hostage. Comment the letter R or send a direct message to secure your access right now.